Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your mobile marketing with Snapchat beginner guide step by step clearly. To secure your mobile marketing with Snapchat, start by setting up a Snapchat business account. Visit the Snapchat Ads Manager and select Create an Ad. Fill in your business details and verify your identity if necessary. Next, explore Snapchat's advertising options. You can choose between Snap Ads, Story Ads, and Collection Ads. Select the ad format that aligns with your marketing goals. Then, create engaging content that resonates with your target audience. Use high-quality images or videos to capture attention quickly. Incorporate compelling calls to action to encourage user interaction. Once your content is ready, set clear campaign objectives. Decide whether you're aiming for brand awareness, website visits, or conversions. Afterward, define your target audience based on demographics and interests. Utilize Snapchat's audience targeting features to reach the right users. Consider using custom audiences to retarget previous visitors or engaged users. When setting your budget, choose between a daily or lifetime budget. Set a bid amount that matches your objectives and expected reach. After configuring your ad settings, create and review your campaign. Double-check your ad visuals, targeting options, and overall objectives. Once everything is in order, submit your ad for approval. After your ad is live, monitor its performance using Snapchat's analytics tools. Evaluate metrics such as impressions, engagement, and conversions. Make adjustments as necessary to improve your campaign's effectiveness. Stay updated with Snapchat's evolving features and trends. Continuously experiment with different ad formats and strategies. Engagement is key, so interact with users who respond to your ads. Responding to user queries or comments enhances your brand presence. Finally, always prioritize user privacy and data protection in your marketing efforts. Adhering to best practices will help secure your mobile marketing strategy on Snapchat. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.